no! My lucky bracelet is gone! It is not inside the basket anymore!
Everyone stop! My special friendship bracelet has completely disappeared. Please help me find it.
What happened, Nia? Don't worry. Let's all help look around the classroom for it. Hey, look over there! There is a colorful beaded bracelet sticking right out of Finn's pocket. Look at my lucky friendship bracelet. My grandmother gave it to me on my birthday. Wow, Nia, that bracelet looks super cool and special. You wear it every single day.
All right, children, please place all your personal belongings into this basket before we start painting.
I will put my lucky bracelet right here in the basket so it stays safe. I'll put my things here too so we can start our fun art lesson together. Painting class is always my favorite part of the day. Look at all these vibrant colors. Let me grab my favorite blue paint from my hoodie pocket so I can finish. 10 minutes are up. Time to get my lucky bracelet back from the storage basket. Oh no! My lucky bracelet is gone! It is not inside the basket anymore!
Everyone stop! My special friendship bracelet has completely disappeared. Please help me find it.
What happened, Nia? Don't worry. Let's all help look around the classroom for it. Hey, look over there! There is a colorful beaded bracelet sticking right out of Finn's pocket. Look! Finn has the bracelet in his hoodie pocket right now. He took it. Finn, is that true? Did you really take my precious grandmother's gift from the basket? I didn't take it. Why is everyone stepping away from me?
Finn, please stay calm and tell us why that bracelet is inside your pocket right now.
Wait, please. I didn't take anything. Nobody is letting me explain what happened. Let me show you this bracelet. It's not what you think. Please listen to me.
It really isn't Naya's bracelet, I swear. Look at him, he looks so nervous. Everyone knows he was near the basket earlier. Don't cry, Nia. We will figure this out and find out what really happened today.
Finn, we were best friends. Why would you take something so important to me? I am telling the truth. I am your friend, and I would never steal from you.
Class, it is time for recess now. We will continue this conversation when we return.
Did you hear what happened in art class? Finn took Nia's lucky bracelet from the basket. Nobody believes me at all. Everyone thinks I am a thief, but I didn't do it.
I just want someone to listen to my side of the story without judging me.
Let's go sit somewhere else. I don't want to play with Finn during recess today.
It hurts so much when your friends turn their backs on you for no real reason.
Something doesn't feel right about this. Finn has always been honest and kind to everyone. Wait a minute. Let me look closer at that bracelet sticking out of his blue pocket. The beads in his pocket are round and green, but my bracelet had shiny pink stars.
Oh my goodness! That bracelet in Finn's pocket is completely different from my lucky bracelet. I need to tell Mrs. Carter right now. Finn might actually be innocent after all. Mrs. Carter, please look at Finn's pocket again, and the beads do not match my bracelet.
Are you sure, Nia? Let's check the classroom security camera to see what really happened. Let's rewind the videotape to 10 minutes ago when everyone placed their items inside.
Look right there on the screen. Watch closely as the students finish their painting lesson.
There is Finn putting his own pouch into his pocket before walking over to his desk.
Look! When everyone rushed to clean up, someone bumped into the basket by accident.
Look right there! Nia's bracelet accidentally slipped right into that big green paint box.
Wow, look! My bracelet fell into the paint box. Finn didn't touch it at all.
You were right, Nia. Finn never took your bracelet. It was an honest accident during cleanup. Let's check inside this paint box right away to see if your lucky bracelet is there. Be careful. There are wet paint tubes inside this craft container near the table. There it is. My lucky bracelet with the pink stars. It is completely safe and sound.
I am so happy my grandmother's bracelet is safe, but I feel terrible about Finn.
You showed great wisdom by seeking the truth, Nia. Now let's make things right together. Everyone, please take your seats quickly. We have an important announcement to make to class.
I hope nobody calls me names again. I just want to sit down quietly today.
Settle down, everyone. Mrs. Carter and Nia have something very important to share with us.
Everyone, please listen to me. I made a huge mistake and accused Finn wrongfully earlier. Huh? What is Nia talking about? Did she find out what really happened to it? Look! We found my actual lucky bracelet inside the green paint box where it fell.
Look! We found my actual lucky bracelet inside the green paint box where it fell. Finn, I am so deeply sorry for judging you before knowing the real truth about this.
The bracelet in Finn's pocket has green beads. It belongs to his little cousin, not me. Yes, my little cousin gave me this green bracelet this morning for luck at school.
Remember, class, never judge someone or accuse them before knowing all the facts clearly first.
I am so sorry, Finn. I pointed at you without checking if it was the right bracelet.
I forgive you all. I'm just so glad that the truth finally came out today.
You are a true friend, Finn. Thank you for being so patient and forgiving with me.
Best friends always forgive each other. Let's get back to celebrating our friendship festival now.
Hooray for Finn and Nia! Happy Friendship Festival to everyone in our wonderful class.
Now let's all make special friendship crafts together to celebrate trust and honesty today.
I am going to make a brand new friendship card for you, Nia, with yellow paint. And I am writing honesty and trust right here on your card, my best friend Finn. Look how bright and cheerful our classroom looks now. This is the best festival ever.
Hello, everyone. We came by after school to see your wonderful Friendship Festival art projects.
Dad.
Something crazy happened today, but everything turned out super great in the end. We heard what happened, Finn. We are so proud of you for staying brave and honest.
And thank you, Nia, for being brave enough to apologize and stand up for the truth. This lucky bracelet really did bring us good luck today by teaching us about real trust.
Everyone say cheese for our school friendship festival photo. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Click. What a wonderful memory for all of us to cherish forever on this special day.
Look how awesome this picture turned out. Everyone is smiling so brightly together. Best friends forever. Nothing can ever break our strong bond of trust and honesty. Best friends forever. Today we learned that true friendship means listening, trusting, and choosing honesty every single day.
Always remember, true friendship is built on trust, understanding, and love. Happy Friendship Festival!